Yo, ghetto geek. Hey, so this is the outlook for this week's USDJPY. So last week, we were waiting for this to get back up into this 61.8 range right here, which it did. So we up in there now. So it's just bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. This is our high. This is our low. This is our range. Anything between these lines. So what we don't care about is whatever happens in these lines, except for right here. We want price to bounce up off of that. Now, what price could do, it could come all the way back up in here. Uh-oh. It could come back up in here and test that. It could test that supply zone, but I don't think it's going to do all that. This is a 4-hour chart. So I'm thinking we're going to get price right here and we're going to bottom out. So what I would do, honestly, is bust down to the 5-minute charts. So, but just before we do that, the reason we are in this range, as they would call it right here, is because this was the previous high and this was the previous low. Once price came back up and broke this low, that makes this the new previous low. And guess what? This cannot be the new high until it breaks that low. Okay? So we just got to know where we are in the market. So what I'm looking for is for a change of structure to happen right here on the lower time frame where it can start to bottom out. And this is where we are be starting to take our positions. So let's go ahead and go down to like the 5-minute. That's where I take my trades at. So let's just scoot on over. So right here, price was running up, running up, running up. It broke a previous low over here and then started making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows until it got back right here. Boom. It had a high to break. It broke that high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and kept going up, so forth. So now what we got is, this was the previous low that it needed to break so we can see structure change again. And look what happened. Made that low, made that high, made that low. Now it look like we're making another high. So we need to be looking to possibly take some positions right here at this point so we can ride that thing on down. This is a 5-minute chart, but you can take it there. But what I would do is play it off of the overall 4-hour chart. So if I'm looking at it, since we'll be taking our 5-minute play right there, you could take it to here, or you could keep taking it past there to the negative 27 mark. Either way, we're looking at a good 200 pips on this play. So calculate your lot size, and calculate your pockets. Don't try to trade off of nobody else's pockets. But overall, I'm looking for USDJPY to be sales this week. Now you can dial in on a 5-minute. Let's go to the 5-minute. We go to the 5-minute, and that's the 5-minute continues to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We taking that position at every lower high that it make. Why? Because we know where it's going on a higher time frame, and that's why you need that higher time frame confluence and all of that good stuff to make sure that you understand what's happening in these markets, because you don't want to be lost. So we looking at it at an overall 4-hour sale, but we're going to bust down to the 5-minute, and we're going to gain all these extra positions, which is what they call scaling in. And when you scale in, that makes your bang for your buck even better. So you can even just take one trade on a higher time frame and just kill it going up or going down. And I get into more of that as we get going into this market and this structure and everything. But as of right now, man, we're looking for sales on the 4-hour time frame. We're going to get on the 5-minute. We're going to scale in, get more positions. All right, man, make some money this week. Get geek.